Okay, we're doing number 9. Number 9 talks about a plane flying 500 kilometers with a bearing of north 44 degrees from B to C. So from point B to point C, this length is 500, and our bearing from B to C is north 44 degrees west. So here's our north, here's west in this direction, north, and then 44 degrees west would put that 44-degree angle with the vertical. The plane then flies 720 kilometers from C to A. So from C to A, we have 720 kilometers. Given that point A is due west of point B, we want to find the bearing from C to A. So if I draw my horizontal and vertical, the bearing from C to A is going to be this angle theta right here with the vertical. So we know right now that in order to get from C to A, you have to go south. That's an S right there. We need to go south, and then we need to go west. So I'm going to put that right here, southwest. We just need to figure out what this angle with the vertical is. So if I go back to geometry and I start talking about parallel lines cut by a transversal, alternate interior angles are congruent. So we know that this angle right here is 44 degrees. We also know that a horizontal and a vertical make a 90-degree angle. So if we have 44 degrees with the vertical, then the horizontal angle has to be 46 degrees, or the angle made with the horizontal has to be 46 degrees. Now, because we know that this angle is 46 degrees, we can set up law of sines, and we can say that 720 divided by the sine of 46 degrees is equal to angle A, which is unknown, but across from 500, so 500 over the sine of angle A. Now, why is that going to be helpful? Because we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. So if we find out what angle A is, we already know what angle B is, we can solve for angle C. Once we solve for angle C, this entire angle C will be able to subtract 44 degrees from angle C to get the bearing that we need. So that's going to give us the bearing from C to A. So we're going to put this into the calculator. And when I do that, I get angle A is approximately 29.970 degrees. So I have 180 minus angle B, which is 46 degrees, minus 29.970 degrees, which is angle A, and that leaves me 104.030 degrees for angle C. Now press pause at any time so that you can do this math in your own calculator. And then remember what we're going to do. We're going to take 44 degrees away from this angle C so that we can get the angle that's going to give us the bearing southwest. And when I do that, 104 minus 44 gives me 60.030 degrees. So our answer is south, 60.030 degrees west. Don't like the way I wrote that, so I'm going to try that one more time. 60.030 degrees. And the southwest is critical. So south, 60.030 degrees west is our answer. And now you should be able to